Welcome back to DRAWPEDIA Tutorials. Today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Red Crewmate from Among Us. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. Now before I draw, I'm gonna pick a thick black pen and draw a curved line across for the top of his visor. Semicircle turn on both sides. And on the right side here, I'm gonna turn it downwards, turn it back to the left with a curved line, and semicircle turn upwards at that corner all the way back to that point. Above the visor on the right corner, I'm gonna draw a diagonal curved line to the left and to the top of his head, curved line across to the left, semicircle turn downwards at that corner, curved line downwards all the way to his leg. And at this lower point, I'm gonna make a turn to the right with a curved line and a curved line back up in the middle point of the leg. At that corner, I'm gonna draw a curved line across to the right leg, and below that curved line in the middle point, I'm gonna draw another curved line down, curved line across at this lower point, and turn it back upwards at the outer corner on the right. An extended line with a curved line upwards to the lower point of his visor. For the backpack, I'm gonna draw on the left side at this upper corner a line sideways to the left, semicircle turn at that corner downwards, and turn it back inwards at this lower point to the right. Now I'm gonna proceed with the coloring part, and I'm gonna start with the visor, and I'm gonna draw the outline for the upper part with a diagonal curved line from the top left corner inside the visor right there, semicircle turn at that corner to the right all the way to the side. And inside of that, at this upper point, I'm gonna draw a long oval shape right there, and I'm gonna fill in the outer corners of that oval shape with light blue color. And for the lower half of that, which is the shadow of the visor, I'm gonna fill that in with a darker light blue color, like now for his main body, I'm gonna use a red pen, and I'm gonna draw from the right corner a diagonal curved line downwards and inwards, semicircle turn to the left, and semicircle turn back up on the left corner right there, diagonally upwards and all the way to the side. And I'm gonna fill that in with a red color for the upper part. And for the lower half, I'm gonna fill that in with darker red color, which almost look like purple right there. And for the backpack, I'm gonna use the same colored pen and draw a curved line across at that corner right there. And I'm gonna fill the lower half of that. And for the upper half of the backpack, I'm gonna use this red color and fill that in. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time!